blizzard. No more bananas. And in case you wanted to come shopping for potatoes, no potatoes.
GLO Rockers, it's me, Jeff Stevens, and just last night, in advance of the storm, I decided to do a little shopping. You know, stock up, in case the world came to an end. Buried under 15 feet of snow. Yes, store shelves were being emptied. Even the milk was all gone. So guys, here are the essential things you need to stock up on for a blizzard. Keep some bottled water in the fridge. You know, in case you get thirsty, or the dog gets thirsty, or in case your pipes freeze and you'd rather not brush your teeth with toilet water. Second, fresh fruit. Me, I picked up some watermelon. Third, ramen noodles. It's quick. I've got a 12-pack of them, so I can at least have ramen noodles for, 4 meals? Not bad. Fourth, gotta have snacks. I love me some Hostess Ding Dong, so I stocked up. Last but not least, beer. There you have it, the essential survival guide for GLO Rockers from me, Jeff Stevens, and Peoria's classic rock station, 95.5 GLO.